Hi everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy some authentic Jamaican jerk chicken. I have a whole chicken here that I've already cleaned and I trimmed off some of the fat. You still want to leave a little bit of the fat on it because that's what helps it to become moist and juicy after we take it off the grill. So I've cut this chicken into 4 quarters, so I have 2 breast quarters and 2 leg quarters. Now you can do all white meat or dark meat if you want, or whatever part of the chicken you like. To season, I'm going to use this pack of Maggi all-purpose seasoning, or chicken seasoning rather. And this packet is equal to about a tablespoon. And remember, you can use any poultry seasoning you have, or some all-purpose seasoning could be used as well. I'm going to use my homemade jerk seasoning as well as this Walker's Wood brand. And I'll link the jerk seasoning for you, the one that I made, so you can check that out. The video will be in the description as well as linked above. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt because both the Walker's Wood jerk seasoning as well as the chicken seasoning already has some amount of salt. Remember to always salt your food according to your taste. So now I'm going to massage all these seasonings into the chicken, making sure to fully coat all the pieces as well as to get the seasonings under the skin, because I want my chicken to be flavorful throughout. Now you want to give your chicken at least 24 hours to marinate. Traditional jerk chicken is marinated between 24 to 48 hours, 48 hours at best. So we're going to cover this and leave it in our fridge to marinate for the next day. Now, if you're doing this on a grill, I'm gonna go ahead and assume that you have experience handling a grill, or you at least have some help. With that being said, I had help setting up mine. I will admit that I usually don't do this part of it even though I can. So I have my jerk pan ready to go. Jerk pan or grill is the same thing. We're catching the fire here and we're gonna wait until the fire has died down before we add our chicken. Now, contrary to what a lot of people think, jerk is not done over flaming heat. It's done low and slow. It's slowly smoked and roasted over low heat. So this is what we want. As you can see, the flame has died down and the smoke is coming up. I'm going to now add my chicken on here. I went ahead and seasoned another chicken because I had some company. So the recipe that you'll see is for the one chicken. I just doubled it. If you go to a jerk stop or jerk center here on the island, you will see them actually lay out the chicken or meat on top of the pimento wood with the fire underneath and jerk it that way. For those who don't know, pimento is the same as allspice, and this is one of the main ingredients in jerk seasoning. It is what gives the jerk its distinct and unique flavor. We are using charcoal. However, regardless of this, I guarantee that you will still get the authentic jerk flavor because of the seasonings that we use. Remember to check out my homemade jerk seasoning video. Just look at how well seasoned this chicken is. So much flavor. Now I'm going to let this jerk for about 20 minutes before I check on it. After 15 minutes, this is what we have. In case you're wondering what's in the foil, I'm roasting some sweet potato to go with it. I'm going to start moving around my chicken. For the most part, the heat is evenly distributed, but it's a little bit more intense in the center, and I want my chicken to cook evenly and everything to be done at the same time, especially since I have so many pieces on there. After another 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to flip them, and I repeat this process at 15 to 20 minute intervals until my chicken is done. It's all about controlling your heat. With my jerk pan, I find that the chicken is perfectly done after an hour and a half. So for the last 20 minutes, I'm going to pour on my beer for some flavor. And after the 20 minutes have passed, I'm going to remove them. Just look at how gorgeous this chicken looks. So juicy, so flavorful. I had to hurry up and serve this to my guests as they were waiting. I think it's one of the best jerk chicken I've done. I got rave reviews, so I hope you get a chance to try it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. It helps the channel when you do, and let's continue our growth to our first 1,000 subs. Let's stay connected on my other social media. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.